Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the Tesla stock surge's 13.5% biggest one-day gain ever. Before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe for future updates. Tesla has recently become more conservative in its annual delivery guidance after years of consistently missing its production and delivery targets. Last year, for example, management simply stated that deliveries will increase by more than 50% in 2021. This would suggest a total of almost 750,000 deliveries, up from slightly under 500,000 in 2020. However, actual deliveries increased by 87% year-over-year to nearly 936,000, despite a difficult supply and logistics environment. For 2022, Tesla may issue conservative guidance once more. Indeed, it wouldn't be shocking if the corporation forecasted a 50% increase in deliveries this year. While this is a far cry from Jonas' bull case for as many as 2 million deliveries, the fact that we're calling a projection for 50% increase conservative speaks to Tesla's capabilities, especially when you consider that it would be on top of 87% growth the year before. At this point, we'd still consider 2 million deliveries in 2022 a stretch goal, but one that appears significantly more possible following Tesla's fourth quarter deliveries, the Morgan Stanley analyst said in an investor note on Monday. Jonas' belief in the achievement of this stretch goal is founded on two key ideas. The first is, of course, Tesla's fantastic Q4 momentum. The company exceeded analysts' expectations by increasing deliveries by 71% year-over-year to 308,600. Even on a sequential basis, there was a lot of growth. The company's previous quarterly record of 241,391 deliveries was broken just 3 months ago, resulting in a 28% rise in deliveries. That number was up from 201,304 just 3 months prior. Tesla's velocity speaks eloquently about its growth despite a period of some of the toughest vehicle supply constraints in history. The company's new plants are the second reason Jonas is so confident about Tesla's potential in 2022. These two new factories are only now coming online after spending nearly the whole year of 2021 developing them in Berlin, Germany, and Austin, Texas. Tesla will have a global installed production capacity of approximately 3 million units annually, according to Jonas, once these factories are ramped up to full production capacity, up from little over 1 million units yearly at the conclusion of the company's third quarter. Of course, these two new plants will take some time to reach full capacity. On Monday, Tesla stock jumped as much as 10% after the electric vehicle maker revealed fourth quarter deliveries that above analyst estimates. The business built 305,840 automobiles and delivered 308,600. Tesla was expected to produce 266,000 units in the fourth quarter, according to Wall Street analysts. Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y vehicles received the majority of the deliveries, with only 11,750 Model S and Model X vehicles being delivered. Tesla delivered 936,172 vehicles in total in 2021, an increase of 87% over its 2020 delivery estimates. The Tesla crew is doing a fantastic job all over the world. Musk responded to the Q4 delivery results with a tweet. In a Sunday note, Wedbush analyst Dan Ives stated, "These delivery statistics were jaw-dropping and speak to an EV demand trend that looks healthy for Tesla heading into 2022. He thinks that Tesla delivered 200,000 vehicles in December alone, demonstrating the company's and electric vehicles' rapid development. Tesla's China business, according to Ives, will drive considerable growth in the future, thanks to the company's ability to successfully negotiate chip shortages over the previous year. These figures are difficult to refute and will be a huge feather in the cap for the bulls on Monday morning, improving overall sentiment on the EV space as a whole." The stock of Tesla soared on Monday, returning to levels last seen in late November. Ives believes the rally will continue, giving the stock an outperform rating and a $1,400 price target. In a bull case scenario, he set a price estimate of $1,800 for Tesla by the end of 2022, indicating a 60% increase from current levels. On Tuesday, shares of electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla Inc. (TSLA) soared nearly 20%, rebounding from a sharp sell-off with its highest daily gain in a year after statistics showed an uptick in China sales, and an analyst upped his rating on the stock. Tesla shares have now risen nearly 20% this year. The increase, which increased Tesla's market capitalization by more than $100 billion, ended a 5-day losing streak for the company during a Nasdaq slump in which investors scared by rising interest rates have fled growth stocks with high valuations. In a New Street Research report, analyst Pierre Ferragu upgraded Tesla's stock recommendation to buy from neutral. He also boosted his target price for the company to $900 from $578. Tesla's stock has risen by around 70% during the last 6 months, according to Bloomberg. According to Refinitiv, 13 analysts have given Tesla a neutral rating, while 12 recommend buying the stock and 10 recommend selling it. The Tesla rally coincided with a 3.7% gain in the Nasdaq, as investors flocked to battered technology stocks as U.S. bond yields fell and investors flocked to battered technology stocks. Tesla was the most significant contributor to the 1.4% gain in the Sandamp Wink with tongue sticking out 500. SPX, which had joined in December after being acquired by the company. Elon Musk kicked in the year 2022 with a boom. A report from Tesla Incorporated revealed that the company had broken its previous record for vehicle deliveries, causing shares of the electric vehicle manufacturer to surge and resulting in one of the largest single-day increases of wealth ever recorded. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Musk's net worth increased by $33.8 billion on Monday, bringing it to $304.2 billion. Jeff Bezos, the second richest person on the list, has a fortune worth $196 billion. Tesla's stock jumped 13.5% to $1,199.78 on Monday after the company's fourth-quarter statistics easily above analysts' expectations for auto delivery volume. Following a decline in November and early December, the company's market capitalization returned to greater than $1 trillion last month. Musk, who owns approximately 18% of Tesla, played a role in precipitating the decline when he announced that he would lower his share in the firm by 10%. Since November, he's sold more than $10 billion worth of stock as part of a strategy to create cash to pay his tax payments and other obligations. Musk's net worth, which includes his ownership in the rocket manufacturer SpaceX, hit a height of $340 billion last year, exceeding the peak inflation-adjusted net worth of John D. Rockefeller and briefly elevating him to the position of richest person in modern history for a brief period of time. In just 12 trading days, the world's investors increased the value of a mid-size player in the heavy metal bending industry by nearly $400 billion, despite the fact that the industry is generally sluggish. According to the best of this writer's knowledge, Tesla experienced the largest dollar increase in market capitalization in the history of the stock market during that brief period. Tesla's stock soared after the company reported strong third-quarter earnings on October 20. Its market capitalization surpassed the $1 trillion mark for the first time 2 days later. Then, news of an agreement to sell 100,000 electric vehicles to Hertz propelled the stock to a 13% gain in a single day, bringing it to $1,025 per share. Tesla's stock rose to an all-time high of $1,209 on November 1 as a result of the momentum generated by a contract that CEO Elon Musk dismisses as having zero effect on our economics. Tesla's market capitalization soared from $818 billion to $1.21 trillion in less than a week in 2 business days, representing a gain of approximately $392 billion. The 4 previous members of the trillion-dollar club, which Tesla has now joined, have also experienced large, sudden increases in market capitalization as a result of the raging bull market in technology and social media that has characterized the past year. Despite the fact that Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet all started at valuations of more than $1 trillion a year ago, well above Tesla's level when the company began its nearly $400 billion rampage, none of their spikes came close to matching Tesla's incredible rise. Keep in mind that we're talking about a company that is 1/4 the size of Microsoft, less than 1/5 the size of Alphabet, 1/8 the size of Apple, and 1/10 the size of Amazon in terms of sales. Hey people, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell before you go. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can click above to see more of our channel.